What's in a name? For us at Texas Injection Molding, Texas is more than a location. It signifies a spirit, pioneering, adventurous, and fiercely independent, just like our state's history. Inspired by the courage of visionaries like Sam Houston, Stephen F. Austin, and Davie Crockett, we operate in the spirit of those who dared to stand up for what they believe. At the heart of our vision lie people, process control, and technology. Our team's creativity and innovation, our controlled manufacturing processes, and reliable technology are what set us apart. The magic in the bottle, it's our culture, a place where caring for each other makes everything fall into place. This translates into our work, caring for our customers, caring for our equipment, and caring for our facility. We specialize in engineering-grade plastic parts for diverse industries. From the state-of-the-art 65,000 square foot facility at Texas Injection Molding, we are more than just an injection molding company. We are part of the Texas spirit. May God bless Texas.